Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear guys, for my dear audience, in this video I will describe some different and much beautiful die, nut and bolt art ideas, nut bolt welding project or welding project by a nut bolt. So my dear guys, when we talk about a die, nut and bolt art ideas, then I see creating art with nuts and bolt can be fun and create way to reduce uh, different categories and different systematically way to repurpose hardware. So here are some die, nut and bolt art ideas for various skill level in my video. So my dear guys, first of all, beginner project. Miniature figures, first of all, material, not a bolt, washers, and description. One creates small figurines by assembling nuts, bolt, and washer to resemble people, animal, or robots. Glue or weld the piece together. And keychain, material, small bolt, nuts, and keychain rings and in descriptive manner attach nut and bolt to keychain ring to create unique and industrial looking keychain. So in simple sculptures of material like as a nut, bolt, washers, small metal plates, and different other. So my dear guys, in descriptive manner, use nut and bolt to create simple abstract sculpture or geometric shapes. Glue or weld them onto a small metal plate for stability. And wall art, when we talk about bolts, nuts, washers, metal or wooden frame, also in wall art, and arrange nuts, bolt, and washers on a metal or wooden frame to create a piece of wall art. You can form patterns, shapes, or even simple images. So jewelry, small nut and bolt jewelry finding and make industrial style jewelry like earring and bracelets or necklaces by combining small nuts and bolts with jewelry finding. So an intermediate project, when we talk about some animal figures, material which is used nut, bolt, washers, metal rods, and create animal figures by welding or gluing nuts, bolt, and washers together. So add metal rods for leg or tails. And my dear guys, in candle holders also, what the nut bolt material, large nut bolts, metal rods, base plate, and weld nut and bolt together to create a candle holder. Use a large nut as a base for the candle and add decorative element around it. So photo frame also material, metal frame, bolts, nuts, washers, and decorate a metal photo frame with glued or welded nuts, bolt, and washers to give it an industrial look. So core track also material, metal or wooden board, large bolts nut, and use large bolts as hooks and attach them to a metal or wooden board to create a unique core track. So pen holder, different material, large nuts, bolts, washers, metal plate, and weld or glue nuts and bolts together to create a pen holder with the compartment for different office supplies. So my dear guys, in advanced project complex sculptures, various sizes of nuts, bolts, washers, metal rods, and create intricate and detailed sculptures by welding together various nuts, bolt, washers, and metal rods from animal vehicles or abstract art. And in desk lamp also, material also, nut and bolt, washers lamp kit, build a desk lamp by welding or gluing nuts and bolts together to form the lamp base and stand, and attach a lamp kit to complete the project. And in wall clock also, my dear guys, a large metal plate, nut bolt, washers, clock mechanism, create a wall clock by arranging nut bolt and washers on a large metal plate, had a clock mechanism in the center, and in wine rack also weld bolt and nut together to form a sturdy wine rack. Customize the size to hold multiple bottles. So in book and material, um, so weld metal plates also. Some washers in nut and bolt and metal plate uses to create unique book and add decorative patterns or shapes for extra flares. So my dear guys, some tips for creating nut and bolt art: plan your design, sketch out your design before hand to visualize the final product and gather the necessary material. So safety first, always wear safety gear, including gloves and eye protection, especially if welding or using power tools. And prep your material, clean and prep nuts, bolt, and washers to remove any rust or grease before assembling. And use adhesive or welding depending on your skill level, like as for making different torches, different bicycle, tricycle, different flower in a garden. Skill is essential and tool available, which is like as a skeezer and others. So either glue or weld the pieces together for a strong bond. And fishing touches also. Paint or polish your finishes by different colors, red colors, white colors, black colors, and many others. So it can be different pieces which is so paint or polish your finished piece for refined look. Consider using rust resistance coating for outdoor project. And experiment when we talk about, my dear guys, don't be afraid to experiment with different sizes and types of hardware to create unique and interesting pieces for a learner, for different pupils, for different beginners, welding project beginners. Many different peoples learn from these ideas a lot of. So, my dear guys, in my these ideas, I especially prescribe for those beginners who learn as a learner point of view. So these ideas, my dear guys, they should inspire you to create your own nut and bolt art and combining creativity with practical skill and different other skills. So my dear guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Once again, thank you very much.